President Muhammadu Buhari signing the Executive Order number 006 of 2018 into law. The executive order aims to empower the government to seize any assets suspected to be proceeds of corruption, while the owners of such property are being investigated or tried for corruption.
Mr. Speaker, these powers are vested on the legislature.
The legislation was the focus of a heated debate in the House of Representatives. According to the motion sponsored by Representative Nicholas Osai and supported by 27 others, the recent executive order appears to hijack and usurp legislative and judicial powers.
The Executive Order 006 is a complete usurpation of the powers and functions of one, the legislature to enact the law. Two, the court that are vested on the power to adjudicate on these laws.
The motion led to a debate among lawmakers.
Section 5 does not give the executive the powers to now begin to extend its boundaries by giving itself powers to make laws,
but to now circumvent the rule of law and now create another which now usurp the power of legislation and judiciary and add it to the power of the executive will be an aberration.
The first leg of what is being asked for in this is also a usurpation of the powers of the judiciary.
We recognize the pronouncement by the court, and what we are supposed to do if we have issues, and that's what the law has provided. Anytime there's any conflict on any issue, the best way to go and canvass to get the proper position is the court.
After over 2 hours, the motion was put to a vote.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it.
With this resolution, the lawmakers are urging President Buhari to suspend and discontinue the application and implementation of the executive order in view of its controversial nature and its conflict with relevant provisions of the law. The House is to constitute an ad hoc committee to scrutinize and investigate all subsidiary legislations and executive orders in Nigeria and report back within 4 weeks.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Meanwhile, the same issue came up in the Senate. The Senate, however, resolved to summon the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, to appear before it and explain the constitutional basis for the controversial executive order. The National Assembly has, however, made no move so far to take the matter to court for judicial interpretation. Lanre Lasisi, Channels Television News.